1A plant taxonomy, 1 Fabaceae, Tephrosia purpurea. Vegetative characteristics: habitat mesophyte, habit annual herb, root taproot system, stem aerial, erect, cylindrical, herbaceous, branched, leaf colline and ramal, leaf basis pulvinous, stipulate unipinnately compound, leaf imparipinnate, alternate, petiolate, reticulate venation. Floral characteristics: inflorescence simple raceme, flower in general, bracteate, bracteolate, pedicellate, complete, bisexual, zygomorphic, perigynous, pentamerous, dichlamydous, cyclic flower. Calyx sepals 5, gamosepalous, papilionaceous, valvate, aestivation. Corolla petals 5, polypetalous, papilionaceous, aestivation, descendingly imbricate aestivation. Androecium stamens 10, didelphous, 9+1, anthers. Anthers are introse, dithecous, basifixed. Gynoecium monocarpellary gynoecium, unilacular, of superior, of inferior ovary, marginal placentation, style long, stigma simple. Floral formula and identification characteristics: compound leaf with pulvinous leaf base, papilionaceous corolla, zygomorphic flower, descending imbricate aestivation of corolla, didelphous stamens. Based on the above characteristics, the given plant has been identified as Tephrosia purpurea of Fabaceae.